Hello families, today is April 21st, 2020. Thanks for checking in. We'll be going over our phonics and math lesson. Let's get started. So kindergartners, we talked about how we are focusing on two sight words this week. Our first sight word was yesterday with the word good. Today we're going to focus on the word who. Okay, so I'm going to share my camera to look at a new picture. So we wrote the word good yesterday. And this is our new sight word that we're focusing on today. Who. Can you say who? Who. Let's spell it out. W-H-O. W-H-O. Who. Let's go ahead and write the word. If you want to pause to grab your whiteboard, go ahead and pause it. If you want to write it in the air, you can write it in the air. Go ahead and help me write the word who. First letter is W. Start at the middle, lowercase w. Down the wave, up the wave. Down the wave, up the wave. Great work. Our next word, or letter, is H. We're going to start at the top and go down and around. Fantastic. W-H. Our final letter in the word who is O. Who. And who is used a lot in questions. Okay? So we can ask the question, who can use the paintbrushes? Who. So who is used in questions? Great work. Yesterday, we also talked about the long A sound. So the letter A says two sounds. It has a short, lazy sound. Remember, when it's just lazy, it's mommy E is not nearby. It says ah. Can you guys say ah? Ah. And I want you to be so lazy while you're doing this. Ah, ah. Now, if there's a long A sound, that means it's saying its name. Mommy E might be nearby. So it's nice and tall. It says long, right? A long A. A. Ready? One more time. A. So if it's short, it's lazy. Ah, ah. If it's long, it says A. Great work. So I made a little chart. You don't have to do this on your board. I just want you to follow along, okay? So we're going to have a bunch of words, and we're going to sort them. Do they belong with the short A that says ah, or the long A that says A, says its name? Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to pull a word. Oh yeah, I think we can start with this one. Fan. Fan. Can you guys say fan? Fan. Look at the A. Does the letter A in fan have a short A sound or a long A sound? Fan. Yeah, short. Great job pointing to the direction. Go ahead and point on your screen. Which side do you think it's gonna go on? Ready? Next word. Race. Race. Like I ran in a race. Does the A in race make a short A sound? Race. Or a long A sound? And it says its name. A. Race. Which side? You're right, it's the long side. Race. Mommy E's nearby. Our next word is apple. Can you guys say apple? Apple. Does the A in apple have a short A sound, or a long A sound? Apple. It is a short A sound. Great work. Our next word. Oh, this is a long one. Alligator. Can you say alligator? alligator. Does it belong with the long A sound and it says its name, A, or does it belong with the short A side that says alligator? Point at your screen. Which direction should I put alligator? Yep, it's a short A sound. Our last word, tape. Can you guys say tape? Tape. Does it have a short lazy sound, or a long A sound? It says its name. A, or A in tape? Tape. You're right, it's a long A sound. Great work. Thanks for helping me with that. Now that we've practiced our phonics together, we're going to move on to math. So for math today, friends, you're going to need your math whiteboard and a marker and eraser. Okay? So it's going to look like this. We're going to start off by counting backwards from 20. So on your number path, go ahead and find the number 20. We're going to go backwards all the way to 1. Start with 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. Okay, open up your markers. So we were doing yesterday making number bonds for teen numbers and saying it the tens way. Today we're going to be doing two things. We're going to be finding the number that we're working with. We're going to say it our normal way. So just the way we say like 13, we'll say 13. And we'll also say it the 10 way. So a 10 and a 3. We'll be drawing our own. We're not going to use our tens frame. I want us to practice drawing our own pictures in groups of 5, and we can circle groups of 10. Okay? And we'll write it the tens way down here. So go ahead, and I want you to find the number 11. Find the number 11 on your number path. Go ahead and circle it and check back with me. There it is, 11. So now we're going to draw our picture of 11. We're going to do this. We can make circles or dots. Go ahead and make dots in groups of 5. So that means when we're counting to 5, we're going to start a new row or column to make groups of 5. So I'm going to make a column. That means I'm going to go down. You can practice this with me. We're going to make groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got to 11. Great work. Go ahead and circle your group of 10. If you lined them up, that means you put your dots next to each other. You should be able to count and circle that group of 10. And that's going to help us write our answer in our tens way. So 11 is the same as 10 and how many more? 1. 10 and 1 looks like this. And it's also 11. Great work. Go ahead and erase your circle, erase your dots, and erase your answer. Okay, now that you know what to do, we're going to let you guys pause and try it on your own. Go ahead and find the number 17. Circle the number 17 on your number path. Did you circle that too? Great work. Now that you've circled 17, go ahead and draw 17 using groups of 5. Pause the video and then check back with me and see if our drawings look similar. Let's get started. Let's see. 17. Check with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did your drawing look similar to mine? Good. Let's circle our group of 10. Go ahead and circle your group of 10 and see if we circled the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write your answer our 10 way. So 10 and what else? Make 17. 10. Go ahead and pause it and see if we have the same answer. If you haven't paused it, go ahead and pause it. Count to see what's our other number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 is the same as 17. Great. Go ahead and erase your board. Now we're going to go backwards. So instead of circling our team number up here, I'm going to give you guys our 10-way number, and I want you to find it on our number path and draw a picture of it, okay? So I'm going to give us 10 and 4. Go ahead and draw your picture for 10 and 4. Okay. Go ahead and pause and then check back with me. First you draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, groups of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and circle your groups of 10 if that helps you. Does your drawing look the same as mine? Great work. Now, I want you to count all of the dots together and circle the teen number that matches the picture. So we know in our circle that there's 10. We're going to count on. That means we count from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Find the number 14. Great work. Erase the number at the bottom. Erase your dots. And erase your circle. We're going to do this one more time and then we're done. Okay. For this one, I'm going to give you 10 and 6. Okay. Go ahead and draw 10 and 6 in groups of 5. Pause the video and then check back. First, we're drawing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're drawing 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle your group of 10. You already had it circled. Great job. Now count all of your dots and find the team number that matches. Count on from 10. We know that inside our circle is 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There it is, 16. Did you circle the same number? Great work. Go ahead and erase your entire board. You're going to cap your marker. Make sure it does not dry out. Put your math whiteboard to the side. You're going to clean that up. I'm going to go over our day and our slide work. So if you look at our Tuesday slide, you're going to watch a video for the sight word who. You're going to watch a video for the long A sound and read. You can read books at your home, or you can go ahead and go on to Raz Kids and read some online books. You're going to complete the who worksheet that looks like this. You're going to color the top who. You're going to build the word who with the letters down here, or you can go ahead and write it by yourself, nice and large. You're going to also search for the word who. There might be more than one. You're going to circle, color, or highlight all of the words that say who and write who 2 times. After the worksheet, there's a video about plants. It talks about all the parts of a plant, and we want you to be able to share with a family member what are the different parts of a plant. You can say that you can do this by sharing it vocally, or you can even draw a picture and label the different parts of the plant. If you have not already, go ahead and warm up for math by practicing your numbers to 100 by 10. You're going to be counting them, or you can also write them 3 times using a pencil, crayon, and a marker. So you're going to count by 10s, 10, 20, all the way to 100 by writing it down. There's a fun little read aloud with Bean 13 with Miss May. We suggest you watching that today. And if you haven't already, watch Lesson 8's video for math. Complete the math Lesson 8 worksheet that looks like this. The first page is asking you guys, both pages do the same direction. You're going to get a number either in the card, so 10 and 5, 15. You're going to draw 15, just like how we drew it. You can group them up into circles of 10 and groups of 5. You're going to also be able to do that with 10 and 7, 10 and 1. On the following page is the same directions. Pay attention. Over here it says 2 and 10. So what do you think that looks like? You can complete both pages or just choose one, up to your family. And then for writing, you're writing 2 to 4 sentences. You can write about anything, or our prompt says, my favorite sport is. So you think about a sport that you like to play. It could be basketball, soccer, hockey, football, gymnastics, cheerleading, whatever that might be. You can write about it and maybe share what you do or why you like it. Okay? We're going to stop our video there. Have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.